In this video, we are going to discuss about the science behind boiling water. It's not what you think. Alright, let's get weird with something you probably see every day. Boiling water. You throw a pot on the stove, crank up the heat, and, after a minute or two, you get those wild, bubbly eruptions. But what's actually going on, like way down at the molecular level? Spoiler, it's not as simple as water gets hot, water boils. Let me break it down. So, water is made of H2O molecules, right? Picture them like tiny, energetic dancers in a close huddle. At room temperature, they're constantly jiggling, bumping into each other, but they're still pretty chill, stuck together by what we call hydrogen bonds. Think of them as friendship bracelets holding the crew together. When you add heat, you're basically pumping energy straight into these molecules. And the more energy they get, the harder they party. They start wiggling faster and faster, stretching those friendship bracelets to their absolute limits. Now here's where it gets cool. Well, actually hot. As the temperature climbs to around 100 degrees Celsius, some of the molecules get enough energy to snap those bonds completely. They break free from the liquid and bam, become vapor. But wait, those little bubbles you see forming at the bottom of the pot, they're not just air bubbles. Early on, some people thought that was just trapped air escaping. Nope, those are actually pockets of water vapor, steam, forming when molecules break loose. As the heat keeps coming, more and more molecules make the jump, and those vapor bubbles rise to the top and burst. That's the dramatic boiling you see. Here's a myth buster: adding salt doesn't make water boil faster. In reality, salt actually raises the boiling point a tiny bit, so the water gets hotter before it boils. So unless you're after a science experiment or better pasta, that old trick won't save you any time. And get this, boiling isn't just about temperature, pressure matters too. On top of Mount Everest, water boils at about 70 degrees Celsius. Not hot enough to make decent tea. Why? Because the air pressure is lower up there, so it's easier for water molecules to escape into the air. So next time you watch water boil, remember, it's a wild dance of molecules, a jailbreak from the liquid world, and a reminder that the science hiding in your kitchen is way cooler than it looks. Stay curious, keep questioning, and don't take boiling water for granted. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cool science facts every week.